Hello and welcome to Lifestyles with Lily. Today I have a quick wise tip to share with you all. So, here's the wise tip for the day. You can purchase these at Walmart and I believe at Dollar General as well. This is a very easy, friendly budget tip if you just want to stretch your money and stretch the pads and cutting them into different sizes so you can get long life out of them. This is a great tip for you. You're going to take them apart and start cutting to the size of your liking. Now we have the size that I like and they are ready for use. I place my cuttings in a reusable jar that I like to store them in. And now here's the finished product. So whenever you want to go grab another scrubbing pad, you can do so without a problem. Thanks for watching. See you next time.